like 20 minutes out of Denver, you're already, you know, here in the mountains. It's so pretty. And since it's been raining so regularly, way more than often, this place looks so damn green. It looks almost tropical how green it is. Normally it's a lot more you know, brown looking, you know, just the dirt, red rocks, stuff like that. Yeah, I need to do a lot more mountain rides this summer. One nice safety tip is whenever I'm passing cars that are basically stopped in a lane, I don't go super fast and I am ready to avoid or hit the brakes. Gotta be careful there because there was tons of gravel. As you saw, my buddy shot up a ton of the gravel. You know, people don't really cross over. You gotta be careful because gravel accumulates big time there. So if you ever see gravel, do not accelerate when you're going over the gravel. Do not hit the brakes when you're going over the gravel. Try your best to not do anything that's going to change your speed when you're going over anything slippery. Okay, this is it. So warm up the tires a little bit. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love people who do that. We're here to have some fun. Let us have some fun. Oh, it is the perfect weather. Always trail brake in case. Ooh, this corner is clean. Ooh, there's some gravel here, as you can see. Stay out of the gravel. Nice line, nice line. Oh, it looks like some gravel in the very center. Tiny bit. Get your butt out of the seat, Kyle. Get the butt out. Show me that ass. What kind of line choice was that? Let's go. And one piece of advice, since you are, you know, when you're doing mountain rides or anything on the road really, you are the most vulnerable. So if you do track days, it's a lot safer by far. There's no incoming cars, there's no gravel, there's no deer. So on the road, I like to practice perfect everything, the safest lines possible, you know, not super fast, but everything just smooth and consistent. Smooth and consistent. There's no racing out here. You don't want to be racing. Leave your ego at home. Bit of gravel, nope, not really. And over here there's like a little gravel path, so sometimes, you know, cars in and out of the gravel area shoot up a little bit of gravel. So like right here, for example, see all that gravel? You got to be extra careful. If you're riding in a pair, you see what my buddy did right there? He waited for me. You always do that. You never know if, you know, the person behind crashes. So if you're riding in a pair, always wait for each other. And just a rule of thumb, you know, it's good to stay under triple digits in the mountains, because it's not, you know, because your skill level or the conditions or any of those reasons, but wildlife. You know, you never know when a deer is going to come out. You think you're going to be able to stop at 100? No, hell no. So try to be under that, no matter the skill level, because you never know. You could be in the worst possible situation, and no amount of skill is gonna be enough. When you put your foot out, usually means that there's gravel right there, so little heads up. Great way to alert, you know, the group behind you that, hey, watch out, gravel incoming. Watch out for right where I put my foot over, there's going to be gravel there. So that's a nice thing to do if you're leading a group, or you got some people behind you, and you know, you just want to keep the group as safe as possible, right? So you want to be giving those tips. A little bit of gravel in the very center. There's a really cool bike I saw on the way to meet up with Kyle. Yamaha VMAX. I don't know if I've actually seen one of those in person until today. Sweet bike. Looked massive from the back. Huge. You know, where we're coming up right now, one of my buddies didn't make this corner up here. They were coming the other way, and you know, he hit that corner and he was going a little bit too fast. I think he target fixated on this guardrail right here and kind of bounced off of it a little bit. You know, hurt his hand, but he was good overall. Ooh, thank you. I love people like that. This is a juicy corner right here, but difficult, you know, downhill. Definitely need some skill to handle well. And one thing I don't typically do is ride too close, but you know, I know my buddy, I know his skills, I know he's not gonna break all of a sudden or, you know, lose it too easily through here. So normally I don't ride too close, but if you know them, you know, you can measure up your risk and make your decision there. Really want to give that bike a try, see how it feels compared to this thing. These two bikes are completely different, but in terms of their size, they look comparable. This has a little bit bigger engine because it's a 2-cylinder. You know, this is a Super Quattro Ducati L-twin monster of an engine, but that S1K, that has a different type of engine. It's a 4-cylinder. It screams. Doesn't rev as high, but one thing I do have that S1000 beat on is torque. The torque on this bike is like 99 foot-pounds of torque, which is incredible. So this bike I'm on right now is a powerhouse. It's a damn truck. It has so much damn power. The only trick to take the ego to the track if you got a big enough wallet, because if you fuck up, well, you're paying for it.
This thing feels awesome, man.
Yeah.
I'm really happy with it.
Oh yeah, it's sick. Yeah, it does feel great. Wow, it is so beautiful! Ooh, that is very dirty right there. Ooh, that is a lot of rocks. Yep, a lot of rocks. Chest out, chin in. Let's conserve that energy. There's no clear way to pass safely, you know, these two cars in front of us, so you might as well just wait. Always be patient. Wait for your opportunity. Ride your ride, not anyone else's. Keep it at your pace. bike looks mean. Let me know if you guys like this decal. I kind of like it. Kind of looks a bit douchey, but I don't know. I just wanted to give it a little different look than just the typical, you know, all red Ducati here.
Try it out?
Yeah.
Do it.
Have a good one.
You too.
Thanks.
Good one.
This 890 is smooth. Let's go. Yeah, this 890 is crazy light. They call this bike the scalpel, and that's for a damn good reason, because this thing absolutely destroys corners. Wish the foot pegs were a little bit higher, a little bit more aggressive seating position. If that was if you adjusted that on this bike, man, this thing would be sick. But honestly, this is like an ideal street bike. Doesn't weigh much, has crazy power, has a great sound to it. You know, my first bike was an FZ07, also has a parallel twin, makes, you know, like a lot less horsepower than this thing does. And honestly, this is probably lighter. It feels lighter. The suspension is, of course, way better. And the price difference is not much. You know, like 3-4K price difference for one hell of a bike. Definitely ready to race, if I do say so myself. That way, yep.
In first.
Sweet.
Hold on.
Dude, that thing comes up so easy in second.
Thing's fucking dope, isn't it?
Yeah, you see me doing little wheelies?
Yeah.
And that's with wheelie control on, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, this is in the worst spot. I don't know why it's there.
Do you think? Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Was it melting my shit? God damn it. Yeah, dude.
Dude, why is this here, not there? Dumbass shit. What other bike can you get that feels that good for fucking 10 grand?
Yeah, yeah. That's what I was saying, you know, for 10 grand, like, you know, a little bit more money than the FZ07, but way better suspension, more powerful engine,
Everything.
all the electronics, you know, Brembo brakes.